Hey, how's it going guys? So it's another week of giveaway for my new WebdriverIO course. So this week I will pick 3 lucky winners that will get this course for free. So once again, for those of you guys that missed my previous videos, to be part of this WebdriverIO course giveaway, you need to be a subscriber of this channel. So if you aren't subscribed yet, make sure to click on the subscribe button now and also click on the bell icon to get notified of all the updates. And then you should also be part of my mailing list. So to join my mailing list, click on the link in the description below and you will be redirected to this page. So simply add in your email address and your name and click on the subscribe button, and then you will be part of my mailing list as well. Now some of you guys already went ahead and signed up, so I've put together all of that list over here. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and click on this to pick up our first lucky winner, and then we'll do the same thing for our other 2 lucky winners of this week as well. So let's get started. Alright, so congratulations Tassin, you're the first lucky winner of this week. Now let's take a look at our other 2 lucky winners as well. So I'm gonna spin the wheel again. Alright, congratulations Eliezer, you're the second lucky winner of this week. Now it's time to take a look at our last lucky winner for this week. So let's do that. So congratulations to you too, Abdul, you are the third lucky winner of this week. So I will be reaching out to all of you guys directly via email, so make sure to look out for your emails if you're watching this video. And for the rest of you guys that want to be part of this giveaway, I've already told you what you need to do. Subscribe to the channel as well as be part of my mailing list. So I will be announcing this lucky winners for the next 2 weeks as well, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Now those of you that don't want to wait for this giveaway, you can go ahead and purchase the course right away as well. I will give you guys the coupon code which will be in the description below as well, which will give you a pretty good discount on this course. So that's it for this video guys, I will see you all in the next week.